Today we will talk about hidden value and most secret 2 francs coin from France. This video most interesting today, so please don't skip this video. Before starting a video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This condition little help out without wasting your time, so let's go to the topic. The 2 francs coin from France, minted in 1982, is made of nickel and features the Sower, designed by Ruppee. This coin replaced the silver 2 franc pieces that were minted until 1967. The Sower is a symbol of the French Republic, signifying the values of liberty, equality, and fraternity. Composition: copper-nickel, 75% copper, 25% nickel, weight 8.80 gram. Diameter 27.40 mm, thickness 2.15 mm, shape round. Features Marianne, the national emblem of France. Full-length figure of Helvetia, standing, facing left, wearing toga, holding spear in right hand and supporting shield with coat of arms of Switzerland with left hand. 22 stars around, representing the 22 cantons of the Swiss Confederation. In 1983, a 23rd star was added for the canton of Jura, which was founded in 1979. Script, Latin lettering, Helvetia. Bovie ink displays the denomination 2 francs, the date, and the French motto Libert, Égalité, Fraternité, Liberty, Equality, Fraternity, surrounded by laurel leaves. This copper-nickel 2 franc coin replaced the silver pieces minted between 1874 to 1967. In 1967, the price of silver soared steeply, reaching 260 francs per kilogram in August and 350 francs per kilogram in March 1968. At this time, the melt value of the silver 2 franc pieces was circa 2.92 francs, exceeding their face value. Switzerland started to experience a severe shortage of cash, especially in the north, where coins were exported to Germany to be melted. In spite of strict measures against hoarding and melting coins, around 100 tons of silver in 1 and 2 franc coins were melted. The crisis alleviated in 1968, when coins in copper-nickel started to be minted in double shifts in Bern, around 1.5 million per day. The coins were released on the 10th of May, 1968, and the old silver coins were withdrawn on the 1st of April, 1971. The Banque de France issued French franc coins in 10 different denominations, including this France 2 franc coin. They are part of the French franc coin series. The Banque de France started issuing these 2 French franc coins in 1977. They were withdrawn from circulation in 2002. Friends, if you like the video, you must share the video, and we will definitely comment in the comment section and submit our feedback, and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. On our channel you will get information about the world currency. Subscribe to our channel to know about old and new currency.